In today's video, we will discuss creating a project in SKYSITE. When logging into SKYSITE, you will always default to the project dashboard, where any existing projects will be listed. From this homepage, you will have access to the sample project, and the option to quickly create your own project by clicking here. After choosing to create a project, you will be presented with the project details window. Begin by entering in all pertinent details. While few of these fields are mandatory, it's highly recommended that you complete as many as possible to ensure you are providing enough information to those you are working with on this project. Optionally, you can add a project password. If added, only you will be able to enter this project without entering the password. All other users, regardless of permission, will only be able to access this project when entering the password. Once you've made all of your selections, choose Create Project. Your project is now created and ready to move forward. Please note that you will immediately be prompted with a window to set up your project preferences, as well as customize your punch list, RFI, and submittal attributes. Once you are finished, click the Save button. You can then begin uploading documents to your project.